talk any louder because everybody, I don't know if they're sleeping or if they're just still in their rooms, but we went to bed really, really well. I know me and Babe went to bed really, really late. Joel, what is this? Anyways, so we're here making breakfast. We're here making breakfast. I'm doing pancakes. They're making ackee and saltfish. We're gonna have dumpling, breadfruit, plantain, egg. This is dinner. Anyways, guys, my breakfast is done. Babe, so far everything great. Like, so far everything has been great. They love the food, everybody's having fun. That's all I wanted. So can't wait to see what today happens. We're actually fully here today and we're stuck here. Can't do nothing. It's no movement. So yeah, but I'll check back in when everybody's awake or we're eating breakfast or whatever. So no man, come. Yep. Mimosa.
Mimosa, champagne.
Okay, alright, thank you. Oh, hold on, people, I'm not done. Dress it up here. Just one moment, perfect.
Oh, later on tonight, we definitely gotta get a nice group photo.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, in our all white fit. We definitely.
Yo, if Joel never just reminded me, you know, mood, remember not more white, you know?
Anna, you put it in.
I don't remember.
Right. You want that suggested it.
God.
What is that?
Oh, thank you. Can I say with cream?
Yes, of course.
That's okay.
Alright, see there.
No, you like whipped cream?
Ackee and saltfish, franks, pancakes, cinnamon pancakes, fried egg, plantain, breadfruit, and fried dumpling. And an osmosis.
Put the whipped cream on somebody else.
That's a whole different.
No, but remember was telling you, we went to the supermarket the other day and it was like right beside the strawberries. That was where the whipped cream was. I'm like, what are they selling in the store? Since when do you buy whipped creams automatically you want strawberries, or strawberries you automatically want whipped cream? Hey guys, so it's still morning I think, but we're going to the pool. Just waiting for the rest of the crew to come out of the house. We said we were going to the pool for so long and everybody just decided to get ready and get their drinks and everything together. I'm currently holding my bed and ting and ting. Place nice, I'm not gonna lie. Nice, really nice, really relaxing. Yeah, it's a no movement day, it's Labor Day, so no movement. Just found out our border closure extended again from June 1st to June 21st. People, I don't know what's gonna happen, but
Yeah, come on.
I don't know what's gonna happen. See you guys, if you guys come, there's security. Yeah, it's gated. If you don't have a fob, you can't come in. Well, wow. See Shande, lady in red, wow. The people them are out. Right, true. How you feeling, babe? How's your vacation away from home going so far? Yeah? You'd recommend it to a friend, 10 out of 10? You'd come back? Whew. Anyways, we made it to the pool. See you guys, it's not a far walk. literally all to ourselves. Why Joel always want to go in there and fling the things them and him know say him can't swim for them in case him need to. Jesus. You guys, there's literally one couple per group that can swim. Literally. Yes. Last time you yes, poor boy. Don't have my husband in here, but come later. Alright, go. Let's go now. Alright. We're in a reach water. Right. Wait! Wait, come back! Come back! Wait! Yeah.
That would get it perfect, man.
Cock out your foot, man. Stretch out your body, man. Stretch out your foot, man. Stretch out your foot, man. Stretch out your foot, man. Watch out. Me see y'all come already. Me see him come already. Watch out, me see you walk up already. Oh, please. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. The man said, carry back over here, baby. look what me get. Me get a mango. Big up Mario. Them don't call him Super Mario for nothing. Ah! Boy, boxing. Nobody else know a mango, you know. Me, I don't know a mango. See it here. Wow.
Hey, lady. No running around the pool.
Wow, wow. Oi. People who wants. Wow, wow.
Area, the big area, them sweet and nice.
What type of mango are those?
Area. Bring it. It's up in the head.
Jesus Christmas. I was just gonna say, you can take the boy out the country, but you can't take the country out of the man. Exactly. I'm telling you. Come, Mikeji. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I might have told my husband, you know. What you mean? Yeah, now. Wow, look at that. Wow, I love it here, man. I love it here, man. Right? Love it.
Downing. Flattening. Face I get beat up over there, sir. Yeah? So, dinner after this, you know? Dinner done ready, so we have preparation now, you know? Get ready and salsa. Yeah, nah.
If you guys come to our resort,
Yeah, nah.
and I post my next getaway details, make sure you guys come.
Yeah, nah.
Ask everybody it wasn't time.
Yeah, nah. We are invite all the subscription, man.
Yeah,
Subscripts to me.
anybody we can't get them here?
Subscripts to me, you know?
It was late, guys. I'm so sad we're going home tomorrow.
I want to extend this day. Subscripts to it, you know?
I might book somewhere else.
Yeah, nah. They got the fans, and look come over, you know, they are dinner for link up.
Hey guys, so it's nighttime. Final supper for this trip.
Where?
Everybody's in all white. So what I'm gone outside again? Everybody's in all white. Alright, I'm gonna take pics. Be right back. Anyways, I'm gonna take my pictures and come back. Hey! So guys, I don't know if I tell you before, but see it here, dinner. Curry goats, fish, chicken, bread, rice, salads. Yeah. Yeah, everybody in a white. We're pure, we're angelic. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Some people for eat, some people for live, pan quarantine, lockdown. You couldn't tell me say a pandemic outside. What?
We're inside.
Wow, we're inside, outside, and we're not going outside, inside. On my song. People might get copyrights, but party I keep. Super Mario on the sound. Yeah, right? See, Ginal? You look on the face. It just look like one Ginal. Listen, you guys, Mario gives so much trouble. Okay? Hello. I always tell people, they're always like, oh my God, so Joel is so humble. Yes, he is, but him give trouble. Canadian girl, I'm shipping at the place.
Come on over me.